If you're a dental practice working with a lab that uses DentalRx, this video is for you. We're going to walk through everything available to you as a doctor, from submitting your first case to messaging the lab, tracking your cases, and managing your preferences. Before we begin, keep in mind, depending on how the lab configured their portal, some of the features listed in this video may be missing. Let's dive in. When your lab sets up your account, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link inside to verify your email address, and you'll be taken straight to the login page. Enter your email and password and click Sign In. You'll land on your personal dashboard, customized with your name and practice. If you ever forget your password, click the link on the login page, and a reset email will be sent to you instantly. Your dashboard is your home base. At the top, a personalized greeting with today's date. Below that, any announcements from your lab will appear. Things like holiday closures, new services, or important reminders. Pinned announcements stay at the top until the lab removes them. You could dismiss non-pinned ones by clicking the X. The stat cards below show you a live count of your cases over the last 90 days. How many are received and pending, how many are in progress. Out for try-in, quality control passed, and shipped. Each card is clickable and takes you straight to that filter case view. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see your most recent cases, patient name, items, due date, and current status, so you always know what's happening without even leaving the home screen. Click Submit Case in the sidebar. This is where you'll spend most of your time in DentalRx. The form is broken into clear sections. Let's walk through each one. Patient information. Enter the patient's name. You can also enter the patient age and patient sex if the lab requires it. Prescription details. Select the shade from the drop-down. The list is pulled directly from the lab shade options. The lab may also have this set up so you can enter any shade you want. Enter the teeth for the case. Return date. Pick your requested return date from the calendar. The portal will let you know if you've selected a date that doesn't meet the lab's minimum turnaround time, and it will suggest the earliest available date. Special instructions. Have something specific you need the lab to know? Type it here. This goes directly onto the prescription and into the lab's case record. You can mark the case as a remake, adjustment, or request a call from the lab to discuss it. Prescription items. This is where you select what work you need done. You'll see the lab's available procedures or items here they offer. Prescription enclosures. Select any physical items you're sending along with the case, models, articulators, bite registrations, and so on. Case images, documents, and digital files. Need to attach photos, digital scans, or supporting documents. Upload them here. Everything travels with the case. Nothing gets lost in a separate email. When everything looks good, click the review button at the top right. You'll see a full summary of the case before it goes anywhere. If anything needs changing, go back and update it. Once you're happy, click Confirm and send a lab. The case is sent to the lab. A prescription is generated automatically, and if your lab has it enabled, you'll receive a copy of the prescription by email. You'll see a confirmation screen with your new case number. Click Case History in the sidebar. This is your complete record of every case you've ever submitted through DentalRx. At the top, a search bar lets you find any case instantly by patient name or case number. The status filter on the right lets you narrow down to exactly what you need, just the shipped cases, just the ones in progress, or any specific status. Each row shows you the case number, patient, items, shade, due date, tracking number if available, and current status. The status badges update in real time. So, if the lab moves your case from in progress to shipped, you'll see it here the moment it happens. Click Any Case row to open the full case detail page. The case detail page gives you a complete picture of a single case. You'll see all the case information, patient details, shade, due date, and any special instructions you submitted. If the case has a tracking number, it appears here as a clickable link that opens the carrier's tracking page directly. UPS, FedEx, or USPS, detected automatically. The Items section shows every procedure line in the case with scheduled dates and completion status, so you can see exactly what's been done. If there's a prescription on file for this case, You can view or download it directly from this page. Click Messages in the sidebar. This is your direct line to the lab. You'll see all your message threads listed with the subject, a preview, and the date. Unread messages are highlighted. To start a new conversation, click the New Message button at the top right. Give your message a subject and write your message. If it's about a specific case, mentioning the case number in the subject helps the lab find it quickly. You can also mark the case directly in the message. Need to attach a file? Click the attachment icon and choose your file. Images, PDFs, and documents are all supported up to 20 megabytes. You'll receive an email notification when the lab replies, and they'll receive one when you message them. Click Request Pickup in the sidebar. Use this when you need the lab to come to you. Whether you're returning a try-in, sending back enclosures, or getting materials back to the lab, this is how you schedule it. Select the date you want the pickup, the preferred time, and choose your courier route from the drop-down. The lab sets these up based on their pickup schedule, and add any notes about what's being picked up. Click Schedule Pickup, and the lab is notified immediately. Your upcoming and past pickups are listed at the right of the page, so you always have a record. Click Generate Shipping Label in the sidebar. If you need to ship something to the lab yourself, this generates a prepaid label using the lab's carrier account. So there's no cost to you and no account setup required. Select your carrier, verify your ship from address, and click Generate Label. A shipping label will be created and displayed on screen. You can print it directly or save it as a PDF. Stick the label on your package and drop it with the carrier. Click Lab Documents in the sidebar. Your lab uses this to share files with all of their practices, shade guides, material references, submission guidelines, and anything else they want you to have on hand. Files are listed with their name and upload date. Click any file view, download, or print. Click Laboratory Preferences in the sidebar. This is where you set your default preferences for case submission. You can enter general preferences or preferences specific to one of the lab's departments. Anything you set here will automatically be added to relevant cases. Click Contact the Lab in the sidebar. This page shows you all of your lab's contact information, phone, email, address, and hours. If your lab has provided their location, a map is displayed so you can get directions. Use this page whenever you need to reach your lab outside of the portal messaging system. Click My Profile in the left menu. Here you can view your account information, name, email, and practice details. These are managed by your lab, so if anything needs to be updated, reach out to them directly. DentalRx is designed to be HIPAA compliant and follows industry-standard security practices. This video covers most of the features available to you as a doctor in DentalRx. Depending on the lab setup, there may be even more features offered to you. Your lab chose DentalRx to make your experience as smooth and efficient as possible, and we hope it shows. If you have any questions, reach out to your lab directly.